If Telegram videos are not playing on your computer, don't worry, because in this video I'll show you a few quick and effective fixes you can try right now. This is a common issue on Telegram desktop, and it can happen because of cached files, graphics settings, hardware acceleration, or even the built-in player itself. The good news is that you can usually get videos working again in just a few minutes without reinstalling the app. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. Now, let's get started. First, we're going to clear Telegram's cache and temporary files. Open the Telegram desktop app on your computer. In the top left corner, click the hamburger menu, which is the three-line icon. From the menu, select Settings. Once the Settings page opens, go to Advanced. Inside Advanced, look for Manage Local Storage. This section stores temporary data that can sometimes get corrupted and cause videos to fail to load or play properly. Click Clear All to remove the stored cache and temporary files. Don't worry, this does not delete your chats or your Telegram account. It simply clears stored data that may be causing playback issues. After that, give Telegram a moment to finish clearing the files. Now the next step is to adjust the graphics and hardware acceleration settings. Still inside Telegram, go back to Settings and open Advanced again. Scroll down until you find the Performance section. Here, you'll see the Angle Graphics backend setting. This setting controls how Telegram renders certain visual elements and video playback components on your system. If videos are not playing correctly, change the Angle Graphics backend to Direct 3D11. If that does not help, try setting it to Disabled instead. After changing this option, it is very important to completely close Telegram, not just minimize it. Exit the app fully, then restart it so the new graphics setting can take effect. In many cases, this simple change fixes stuttering, black screens, or videos that refuse to open. If Telegram videos are still not playing, the next best solution is to play the video using an external media player. Sometimes the issue is not the video file itself, but Telegram's built-in player. To do this, go to the chat where the video is located. Right-click the video and choose Save With Us to download it to your local drive. Once the file is saved, open your Downloads folder or the location where you saved it. Right-click the video file, then choose Open With. From the list of apps, select a trusted media player like VLC Media Player. VLC is a great option because it supports many video formats and is very reliable for files that Telegram may struggle with. If the video plays normally in VLC, then the file is fine and the issue is most likely with Telegram's player or settings. If it still does not play, try downloading the file again in case the original file was incomplete or corrupted. You can also test a different video to see whether the problem happens with one file or all videos. To quickly recap, the main fixes are: clear Telegram cache and temporary files, change the Angle Graphics backend in Advanced Performance settings, restart Telegram, and if needed, save the video and open it in an external player like VLC. One of these steps usually solves the problem fast. If this tutorial helped you fix Telegram videos not playing, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.